Let's check if the Find My iPhone feature is turned on or off on your device. We can do this by opening the settings on our iPhone, and then you'll want to tap on your Apple ID name at the top of your screen, which is then going to open another section in your settings where you can customize things related to your Apple account. Scroll a bit down and find this Find My option. After that, I'll tap on Find My iPhone, and you can see that it's currently enabled for me, and I recommend you do the same thing. If Find My iPhone is turned on, like you see here, it means your phone can be tracked, locked, or even erased if it ever gets lost or stolen. That's a big deal because it keeps anyone else from resetting it and using it without your Apple ID. Now, right below that, there's Find My Network. This one helps you find your iPhone even if it's offline or the battery has died, which gives you a much better chance of getting it back. And the last option is Send Last Location. When that's on, your phone will automatically send its last known spot to Apple before the battery runs out. So you'll know exactly where to start looking if it ever goes missing.